Everything we ate in Davao City Seafood Galore Edition. Blue Post, Yellowfin, and Costa Marina. Hay ka crave fresh seafood ba kamo? Mayaman ang Davao dyan. Itong Blue Post, boiling crabs and shrimps ang pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat ng nakainan namin sa Davao. Para siyang seafood paluto, no? Pipili ka ng seafood and sauce. We got shrimps, mussels, sausages, and corn boiled in their signature Cajun sauce. Grabe, panalo sa sarap. Buttery, garlicky, sabaw palang ulam na. Yung seafood dito malaman talaga. Very plump sila. I can't remember the price, pero parang tig 500 per head kami. Yellowfin. Uy, institusyon na to sa Davao. Grabe yung mixed seafood kare-kare nila. Bukod sa solid yung kare-kare sauce at bagoong, na-amaze kami sa tuna nito. Parang beef yung texture. Napaka-chunky. Shrimp gambas was pretty standard, ganun din yung spicy salt tuna. Tapos buti meron sila nung guso, yung seaweed. Para siyang nato. Crunchy, refreshing yung lasa. Pwede ba dito na lang kami tumira sa Costa Marina? Bukod sa napaka-relaxing ng beach, ang sasarap din ng food. It was my birthday celebration kaya maraming in-order si hubby. Fresh lahat, lalo na tong kinilaw na malasuge. Nakakakilig sa sarap. Basic sinigang shrimp at grilled squid, masarap din. Natuwa kami sa grilled tuna belly. Ang laki at grabe kalami. Marinated well siya and masarap yung texture. Yung chop suey, buttery, malaki yung serving. If you're a foodie, I highly recommend you visiting Davao City. Maraming restos to visit and blooming ang local coffee scene. I made mini vlogs about our Davao trip and you can watch those on my page. Like, share, and follow for more upcoming vlogs. Bye!